Is the Aviva Smart Monthly Income Plan the right choice for earning a regular monthly income? Let us find out the answer to this question through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi there, welcome back to holisticinvestment.in, where we help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now, before analyzing this policy, let us first understand a few basic details about it. So, this is an individual, non-linked, non-participating savings life insurance plan, and some of the key features of the policy are: you get life insurance protection and you receive a guaranteed income starting as early as the month following policy issuance and continuing until the end of the policy term. And you also get to choose to receive your income either monthly or annually, and you also get back the total premiums paid at the end of the policy term. And also you can opt for a lower life cover which allows you to receive a higher regular income. So these are some of the key features of the policy, and there are advantages as well, like flexible premium payment mode, and they allow a policy loan facility, and there are additional optional rider benefits available and tax benefits available as well. So these are some of the advantages. However, there are some few disadvantages as well, like limited life cover and the risk of spending your survival benefits, because regular survival benefit may encourage discretionary spending instead of promoting disciplined long-term wealth creation. And there is also reduced compounding potential. So these are some of the drawbacks that you need to keep in your mind before deciding to invest in this policy. So now, as we have a basic idea about the policy, let us move on to the analysis part of the video, where we are going to calculate the internal rate of return of this policy, the IRR, based on the benefit illustration given in the policy brochure to help us make a more informed decision. So here, for calculation purpose, let us assume that a 25-year-old male has purchased this policy with a sum assured of 10 lakh. The policy has a fixed term of 25 years with premiums payable for the first 15 years. The annual premium is 1 lakh. So under this example, the policyholder receives a guaranteed annual income of 43,943 rupees during the income period and a maturity benefit of 15 lakhs payable along with the final income installment. So based on these cash flows, the plan generates an IRR of approximately 4.74% as per the policy's maturity calculator. Although the returns are guaranteed, the plan has several notable drawbacks. Like IRR of 4.74% is relatively low and is unlikely to help investors build meaningful long-term wealth or even outpace inflation over extended periods. Additionally, the sum assured is modest. Overall, this policy scores poorly on both investment returns and insurance protections. So as this policy does not give us the desirable outcome that we need, let us move on to the comparative analysis. So here we are going to compare this policy returns with other alternative investments. So instead of investing in insurance and investment under a single product, we are going to separately invest in both these components to see whether that can yield us better returns. But here we are going to use same or similar parameters from the previous example for a much more fairer comparison. So here for life cover, we have taken up a pure term life insurance policy with a sum assured of 10 lakhs, which cost us approximately 5,800 rupees per year for a 25-year policy term with premiums payable for 10 years. This leaves us with an annual surplus of around 94,200 rupees available for investment during the first 10 years. So during the remaining 5 years, when no term insurance premiums are payable, the entire 1 lakh annual amount can be invested. The investment surplus is allocated to an equity mutual fund. Like systematic withdrawals are then planned to mirror the annual income provided by the Aviva policy. At the end of the 15th year accumulation period, the remaining investment corpus is redeemed and reinvested in a fixed income instrument earning 7% per annum. The analysis also factors in capital gains tax at the final redemption after considering the annual long-term capital gains exception of 1.25 lakhs. So the strategy here generates a regular income comparable to the Aviva policy while allowing the investment corpus to continue creating wealth. So based on these assumptions, the strategy delivers an estimated IRR of 8.92% and a maturity corpus of approximately 38.32 lakhs, which is substantially higher than the return of premiums offered under the Aviva policy. And beyond the higher returns, this approach also offers greater flexibility. Investors can retain control over their money and can modify the timing or amount of withdrawals based on their financial needs, unlike the fixed and inflexible payout structure of the insurance policy. So in conclusion, this policy falls short in terms of investment returns, flexibility, and life insurance protection. But separating insurance from investment by combining a pure term policy with equity mutual fund provides you with a more efficient solution, delivers higher long-term wealth creation, adequate life cover, and greater financial flexibility. So, what is the final verdict then? Is investing in the Aviva Smart monthly income plan worth it or not? So, this policy combines regular survival benefits, a maturity benefit, and life insurance coverage into a single product. The guaranteed income starts from the first policy year, and the plan also promises a return of the total premises paid at the end of the policy term. At first glance, these features may appear to be attractive to investors seeking both income and security. However, the plan is fundamentally similar to a traditional money back policy. It offers relatively low investment returns and a modest sum assured, making it ineffective for long term wealth creation. While the periodic payouts may provide regular cash flow, they also reduce the opportunity for investments to benefit from compounding. Furthermore, the life insurance cover is limited. As a result, the plan performs poorly on both investment efficiency and insurance adequacy, making it difficult to justify as part of a well diversified financial portfolio, and it also has a high agent commission. A more effective approach is to separate insurance from investments. A pure term policy provides you with substantially higher life cover at a fraction of the cost, ensuring adequate financial security for your family. The premium savings can then be invested in a diversified portfolio of mutual funds or other suitable investment products based on your financial goals, investment horizon, and risk appetite. This strategy offers greater flexibility, higher wealth creation potential, and better alignment with long term financial objectives. If you want to read more about this policy, then you can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.